Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to merge duplicate people in Copper CRM. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel and click on People. And in here, let's say, for example, I will go ahead and create the same person in here, okay? Add a person, add Ryan Revs, okay? With capitalized Z. This one is the original, and this one is the duplicate. I'm going to hit on save without any other details, okay? This one doesn't have any detail, and this one got details. All right, so what we'll do to merge the duplicate people is just go ahead and select the two, okay? One and one. And then once that's done, go to the top right, click on three dots right here, and just go ahead and click on merge people. Okay, now it says here you're merging two people. Select which information you'd like to use, okay? This one, as you might remember, is the duplicate that doesn't have any information. And then this one got an information. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and hit on finish merge. Wait for it, and once done, you're good to go. All right, and there you have it. Just do take note that this action is permanent, okay? You won't be able to undo it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.